Hello there. This is a lovely example of the Toyota Yaris 1.5 hybrid, self-charging. Really nice car, very economical and well spec'd as well. Automatic gearbox, you've got dual zone climate control, air conditioning, reverse parking camera. You've also got satellite navigation, Bluetooth and DAB. You've also got cruise control and media controls from the steering wheel. Panoramic roof and slight tint on the rear windows. Isofix seating points in the back as well. Nice boot space with a 60/40 split in the rear chair should you need that extra space. And back round to the passenger side. Really nice car this, guys, very economical and a great car to look at and for future driving purposes. For more information, please visit the website.